are a bad kitty. Bad kitty. Bad kitty.
Cheer up, Tom. You ain't a bad kitty for wanting to eat that Boyd. It's what we cats do. We eat Boyds. You're darn right not you. Why? Because you want to get back in that house. All you gotta do is win back Ginger's trust. And how do you do that? You don't eat the Boyd. I do.
If you keep up that racket, Tom, you're staying out there permanently.
Could you please turn down the tune? The stereo! Turn down the volume!
Hell, what gives, cat? You smell like you've crawled through every alley in town.
I did. I got no place else to go.
That does it. It's time to break out the heavy artillery.
I ain't letting no teensy-weensy mouse or an emotional cat stop me from eating. Oldest trick in the book. Wake up! you sleep at a time like this? Did you hear what happened to Buttons? The cat a couple of streets over, he went off the deep end. The vet said it was a case of Felis catus indorium delirium. Too much time indoors. It did the poor fella in. The very people we think are our friends are really the ones driving us nuts. Eating food out of a can, living in a climate-controlled box, and watching nature channels. Making us wear silly little collars with bells on them, like that one, so they can always know where we are. Buttons had a collar just like it, right down to the little bell. Don't look so worried. You and Buttons, two different cats, 'cause he was all pale and stuff. So you're a little pale. It's nothing. To make sure, what do you say we do some tests first? Say ah. Spotted tongue in cheek. See that? Ooh, don't panic. You're worse off than I thought. We gotta get your inner tiger back, or else it's Buttons for you. All right, I hate to see a grown cat cry, but it won't be easy to get your inner tiger back. You'll have to do absolutely everything I say, you hear? Relax, pal. I got this.
Are you okay?
Meow?
Oh no, your tail's all crooked. I better get you to a doctor. The vet says you just need to rest and relax while your tail heals. Here's the TV remote, and some fresh tuna, and a bell to ring if you need anything. Aw, are you chilly? Here, let's get this sweater on you. There. Tom, you take care of our house guest while I'm out running errands.
I know what you're thinking, but trust me, pal, I ain't even thinking this time. You're lucky you have your health, 'cause, hey, what? Yeah! Look at my x-ray, pal. It's all true! Hey, Bud, how's about you come change the channel for me? I can't risk overexerting myself. Remember what the lady said, chum. You gotta take care of me. Channel up, channel down, channel down, channel up, down, up, up, up. No, volume up, up, go down, back, back. Oops, no, never mind, down, up, 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 down, down. That tickles. You gotta take care of me. Change the channel for me. Okay, never mind. Hang on, pal. It seems to me you're a bit frustrated. I got a better idea. We make the mouse wait on both of us.
The refined art of dance.
Oh, well, why didn't you say so, lady?
Stop!
Here we have the ideal feline posture. Come, come, step forward, please. Oh, dear. Stomach in, chin up, back straight, nose up, shoulders back, chest out, and tail up. There now, isn't that better? Walk forward now. Now, gentlemen, we shall guide you through the etiquette of table manners for a formal tea. Do not touch anything until Edna has demonstrated the proper use of silverware.
Thank you, dearest Edward. We begin with shrimp.
Who are you calling shrimp?
The shrimp fork. Then there is the salad fork. But in the case of pasta salad, we use the pasta salad fork. Next is your demi-fork, the semi-fork to be used in between the salad and the main fork, the serving salad fork, the salad serving fork, and the dessert fork.
I'm gonna need a forklift for all this junk.
And last but not least, the napkin.
Close enough.
Now we're talking. What's for grub?
Finger sandwiches.
Ew, gross! I'm not eating anybody's fingers.
Suit yourself, Pipsqueak. When in Rome...
There are no fingers in these sandwiches. That's just the name. The contents are celery, cucumber, and garlic butter.
Fried chicken saves the day. Hey, Tommy boy, what's this? This looks fun. Let's play Cats Voices Mice.
Let's do it! Oh, yeah!